Come to the post-match presentation ceremony. Surya, could you come forward, please? I asked the South African skipper, what is this yo-yo? What is this yo-yo in this series? One game they get shot out for 74, then India don't do well, then suddenly South Africa get bundled out. What's happening here?
I think this sport teaches you a lot of things. How you come back into the series, that's more important. And we did the same thing. We wanted to go back to basics, do the same things what we were doing in Cuttack, and results was on our side.
Yeah, you had a couple of days. What were those conversations like? Because pretty emphatic in that first game, but could have done something different in the second game. What were those conversations coming into Dharamshala?
See, there was a lot of learning from the game which we played in Chandigarh. We bowlers sat together. We had a good team meeting as well. We came for practice sessions and we tried to do the same things what we did when we were in Cuttack, and we went back to basics and we did the same thing. We didn't try and do a lot of different things, but I think basics were very important at that time.
Going into the World Cup, this form of Surya Kumar Yadav, because you've been one of the most dreaded batters in T20 circuit, how do you look at yourself going forward?
See, the thing is, I've been batting beautifully in the nets. I'm trying everything what I can, what's in my control. And when the game comes, when the runs have to come, it will definitely come. But yes, I'm looking for runs, not out of form, but definitely out of runs.
Yeah, absolutely. You guys are doing well, and that's the most important thing. Anything you would have wanted to tighten up today or after today's game?
I think we'll enjoy it tonight. We'll enjoy the win tonight, and we'll see. We'll sit down tomorrow when we reach Lucknow, and then see what happened in this game, and talk about that.
Well done, and see you in Lucknow.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah, this Indian skipper Surya Kumar Yadav, and the final award for the night is the IDFC First Bank Player of the Match award, and it goes to Arshdeep Singh for his figures of 2 for 13. He'll receive a trophy and ₹1 lakh to be presented by Mr. Shripad Shende. The wickets of Reza Hendricks and Aidan Markram in his final spell. Arshdeep Singh, outstanding. But the first question I want to ask you is, the previous match at your home territory didn't go the way you would have wanted, but this is sort of your home ground as well. How is it that you forgot that, or whatever that happened in the 2 days past that match?
When I walked in the ground, everyone was telling me this is also your home ground. So first thing was I told them, no, this is not my home ground. So that felt better. And after that, I feel just sticking to the basics and doing the basics right and just trusting my skill set. When you play at this level, there are some days when you won't execute the things you want to do, and it was one off day. So feels nice to do this.
Exactly, as you rightly said, it's a tough gig, and sometimes in that short turnaround it's never easy, and sometimes easy to forget because you feel you want to move on. What did you think you did right today?
I mean, nothing changed. I just pitched the ball in the right areas and tried to get as much help from the wicket, and there was certainly some help in the wicket as well, and the conditions were cold as well, so there was enough swing and seam of the wicket. So just try to keep it simple and hit the right areas and got the reward.
Talk us through that wicket of Reza Hendricks, because there seemed a bit of a big discussion before you took that review.
Not really. It was Surya Bhai who wanted to get some suspense in there, but the moment it hit the pad, I knew it was out. And when I got the approval from Jitesh as well, we knew we were going for the review, but he just wanted to wait and just chat for a bit and then take it.
He also wanted the review the second time around.
I wanted
with the inside edge.
As a bowler, you want to take every review possible, but I felt that it hit pad twice, so that was the confusion there. But yes, next time I'll take care of that.
Really well bowled, and see you in Lucknow.
And yes, one more thing, my niece is here. She's only 10 months old, so I want to dedicate this to Inayat. Yeah, thank you.
Really well done, well bowled. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, our IDFC First Bank Player of the Match winner, Arshdeep Singh. India go 2-1. We'll all see you in Lucknow.